Hey kids, are you excited about an amazing story? It is about a selfish hare and an innocent and brave tortoise.
Once there was a hare and a tortoise. They were good friends. But the hare always made fun of Tortoise's slow speed and was proud of his fast speed. The tortoise asked him to the race as a challenge. The race started, and the hare ran so fast that he left the tortoise behind. Suddenly the hare stopped. He found that the tortoise is too far, so he think of having some rest.
The hare laid under the tree to take a short nap.
But the tortoise kept moving constantly without stopping. The tortoise win the race and the hare lost because of his own. The moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. The moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race.